everyone, my name is Timothy Wright. I'm the owner of Attucks, which is a walking tour company here in Washington, D.C. You know, I love giving these tours, especially in neighborhoods like the one we're in now in the U Street corridor. I found that a lot of folks coming to D.C. or they even live in the area really want to connect with the neighborhoods. And so this is actually my most popular tour. The neighborhood tours over the years have become more popular than the Capitol Hill tours, more popular than the monument tours. And it's not just people from other cities, it's people from international folks from other countries, people from the suburbs, people from the rural areas of America, people from other cities in the US. They want to connect with the people of DC. And so I love doing this tour. I love doing all my neighborhood tours because it gives me a chance to show off the city in a way that it's just sort of a different way to see the city.
So we ended up stopping at Dunkin' to get breakfast sandwiches, and we're late for the tour. It's 11:10. I just called the guy and he did say that they'll be at the meetup location for the first 20 minutes of the tour. Yes, I'm looking forward to taking you along on the tour with me. It's the Art and Soul Black Culture Tour, and the tour guide, his name is Tim, and I found him on an Airbnb experience. So I'm really excited. We're in the Howard University area.
So artists that played Howard Theater would walk over here to promote their record. So if you wanted to, if you were a little creepy, you can hang around and wait for your things first. One of the kids that hung out here was a Turkish immigrant to America. This kid hung out here, Republic Gardens, Howard Theater. He basically, as an immigrant to America, fell in love with black music by hanging out on Black Broadway, hanging out on 7th Street. Pencils, Art Complex pencils, not in all of his murals, but a lot of them. All these houses were built out between 1890 and 1910. So this neighborhood was built out over 100 years ago. The tour that we're on now has become one of the more popular tours, not just for me, but for so many other providers, because people want that genuine connection to the city. I encourage other tour guides in other cities, learn those stories of the cities, of the people. The murals are a huge draw, but you gotta add in that part about the people from the past, the people in the present, and just help folks make a connection with the city. This is the African American Civil War Memorial. Now they could have gone with a memorial that was more about the legacy of the neighborhood, music, entertainment, but we didn't. We went with Civil War history, which is a huge, you know, everyone from the South can tell you it's still a huge tourism drive. The total number was 209,145. It was a huge army. In DC, all the enslaved peoples were emancipated, freed on April 16th that year. Now, before we move to the last stop up here, I mentioned the subway was the end of Black Broadway. Why is that? Building generational wealth, they understand it. They understand what the issue is. They helped finance Black Broadway. They were the last living link to Black Broadway, so the last mural on the side of their building is all about music.
Everything I wanna do, I'm gonna do it. Everywhere I wanna go, I'ma go there. Cause we losing people daily and tomorrow's not promised. So I'ma do all I can while I'm here. Anything I wanna do, I'ma do it. Everywhere I wanna go, I'ma go there. Cause we losing people daily and tomorrow's not promised. So I'ma do all I can.
Hello everyone, my name is Timothy Wright. I'm the owner of Attucks, which is a walking tour company here in Washington, D.C. And, you know, I love giving these tours, especially in neighborhoods like the one we're in now in the U Street corridor.
And where can people find you?
Yeah, that's a great question. Where can people find me? Attucks is the name of the company after Christmas Attucks, A-T-T-U-C-K-S, Adams, A-D-A-M-S, AttucksAdams.com. And there we have a whole array of tours. Again, I said we do the neighborhood tours, but also if you've never been to DC and you want to see all the monuments and you want to see the Capitol Hill, we do that too. But it's really the whole experience I can give you from federal DC to local DC. We do it all. So I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in DC at some point. I know the pandemic is still ongoing, but as travel ramps up, if you make it to Washington DC, definitely check me out, come see me, and we can talk.
The tour was really nice. So Erica, Taryn, can't see Taryn in the back, Taryn, Tyra, and Tiara, we all did the tour together, and it was really good. I'm glad you guys had an opportunity to meet Tim. I connected with him on Airbnb, and I hit him up and I'm like, hey, I would love for you to come on to my channel and tell everybody about your travel company, and also share some inspiration on starting a travel company, because he literally had a career before, another career before starting his travel company. Next time you're in DC, check him out. The tour was great. See y'all later. Bon voyage. Do you speak French? Okay, okay. Très bien. Ok, je parle un peu. Et moi et Tiara, je pratiquais avec elle. Right? I think I'm saying it right. Yes. I'm practicing my French. You know, you just gotta say it messy and then figure it out after. You say oui? Oui, right. Exactly. That's how it starts, messy.
But you speak Arabic.
I speak Darija, yeah. Tiara and I stopped at an Indian and Pakistani restaurant. And I got my favorite samosas. What flavor is it? Green tea?
Pistachio.
What's pistachio?
Pistachio.
Oh, pistachio.
Sorry.
I love pistachio. Well, I'm not gonna do that. This is hot. You're gonna catch it.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes, baby. You think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily, and I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you, don't you, don't you? Ooh, I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up the mountain, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I worked too hard for it. No, I need to beat it before you mess up the mood. Yeah, ooh, I worked too hard for it, and I need it, so please don't mess up the mood.
Johnson, baby. You've been needing two more. You've been hitting real lightly. You've been needing two all your life.
Dang.
Just give me the deck. Okay. 1 second.
1 second. Am I too? Why
So
you trying
this got reversed back to you. You threw the reverse thing, so it went back to you.
here?
Huh?
Mario too.
No, it's not your time.
Yes, it is. Oh, this way. And it
Okay.
goes reverse
I'm
this
sorry.
way.
Hello. I'm
She trying to delay her draw too. Hold on 1 second.
Hold on a minute. I'll call you back. I need to call you back.
When me and Tiara were out, I got these incense. I got lemongrass, and they smell so amazing.
No, wait a minute.
I just burned 2 of them.
She skipped you, so you take that.
So
You want to take that back.
it smells so fresh.
Let me get it for you. Is it?
I went to a place called Lee and Gooch. I got this candle,
Skip you.
which smells really amazing. It's Miriam Bright, and I think it's cardamom in it. Yeah. So I got that. And then we also, you saw that we went to Sankofa, lemon ginger juice from Sankofa. And then I have another birthday card from Tiara. My other cards are upstairs. Oh, let me go get them so I can show them to you. I'm back with my gifts. Okay.
Back to you.
So I got this bag from my friend Heb. It says Boss Lady on it. So this is super cute. I could do a lot with this. And then she also got me some shea butter, whipped shea butter. Oh, and this shea butter actually is lemongrass.
Oh, so please rub some on me on camera.
Sure. I can smell the lemongrass in it. It's by Sultry brand. I got 2 cards. One is from my friend Hayab, who got me the shea butter and the Boss Lady bag. And then the other card is from my friend Asia. What time is it?
It's almost 6.
It's almost 6? Okay. Dinner's at 7:30. It's at Cuba Libre Rum Bar. And I'm probably about to start getting dressed so that everybody else can start getting dressed and we can be on time for our reservations. Here is my birthday look. I got this dress from Dillard's. It's velvet and feels so soft. As always, I have my gold jewelry on and some black boots. I'm gonna wear my black fur coat, so everything is gonna come together nicely. I did a light makeup, a little bit of foundation, and some Fenty lip gloss by my girl Riri. Yep, so this is the look for the night. We good, here we come.
You know how like usually when you be out here, the manager they come like, how's the food, how it is? He be come around this way, like, how you so much?
The food better be as good as this bread. Right. That's how I'm feeling at this point.
Bread is on point. This bread, I'm about to call 911.
Thank you so much.
Smile.
Happy birthday to me. In front of you. Okay.
And blow out the candle.
Oh, right. Okay. Yes.
What you gotta say to Shanay?
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. We'll get it out. No, Feliz Navidad.
Wow. Okay, who's gonna have some?
I'll have some. Right? Isn't it yummy?
It is. It kind of has a coffee taste to it. I want him to get a group picture of us also. We're at Culture House, DC. My friend Hayab told us about this event going on tonight. So instead of salsa dancing, we decided to come here. There's gonna be some live music performances from local artists, I believe. Here's the house. This is an old church that they painted, and this is really cool. I'm excited.
I just don't want to mess my shoes up in this gravel.
just at Culture House, DC. And we just got back. We actually just didn't get back. We've been back for probably about an hour or so. And we're about to head to bed now. Today was so much fun. And it's after midnight, so it's officially my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And I'm so glad that everybody came. I had an amazing time, which I already knew that I would be because I'm around people that love me, people that support me, people that are just awesome. My people. I'm with my people. So it was amazing. Today, Friday, and tomorrow we're doing brunch. So I'm super excited about that. It's 1:30 now. We're about to go to bed. So I'll see y'all in the morning.